friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be doing my foyer and front porch fall decorate with me, and I'm going to be sharing this new delicious chili recipe that will fill my home with a warm and cozy scent. If you're new to our channel, my name is Karen and welcome. We would love it if you would take a moment to subscribe for more decorating, cooking, and day in the life videos. Okay friends, let's jump right on into today's video. I love to decorate with lanterns, as you will see here in just a minute. I feel that they add the perfect ambience to your living spaces, so why not give my front porch the same effect of looking and feeling cozy? The great thing about lanterns is you can fill them with nuts and leaves, pumpkins, gourds, really any seasonal items that will create a beautiful autumn display. Here I am filling this planter with some small packs of hay to use as filler, and I'm tucking in some faux stems. And when I feel that it looks full enough, I'm going to put my lantern on top. As I mentioned in every one of my decorating videos, I love using flameless candles. And I think this is perfect when especially you want to light up your outdoor living space and not have to worry about an actual candle. It's time to tidy up a bit, and I'm going to give my windows a quick cleaning and then wipe off my tables before getting started. As I was tidying up my front porch, it started to get misty outside, and I thought, you know what, I better go ahead and get this cleaned up and go ahead and continue filming tomorrow. As you can see now, it is the next day, and it's a perfect weather day to be finishing up the decor of my front porch, and I am hanging this new sign, harvest sign. And I think my older sign that I had last year is going to go perfectly on the other side, just to balance out my doorway. I am now adding my corn stalks, and I have to share with you friends, I am allergic to corn stalks and I'm allergic to hay. So as you can just imagine how itchy I was putting all of this together and sneezing. It was rather funny. And I thought, oh my gosh, if our friends could see me now, thank goodness most of this I was sort of behind the scenes, but I wanted to let you know. But hey, you know what? You do what you have to do to make things look pretty, and I absolutely love the look of the corn stalks. I also like to peel back the husks. I really like the look of the bright yellow coming out of the corn stalk, so I normally just pull a few of them. And then you also see later here, not in this video, but when I do decorate my lamp posts, I do the same thing because I just love the look of the bright yellow. As you can see, I am now adding my new display that I made with the lantern and the faux florals. I cannot wait for this evening to see how pretty and cozy it looks when I turn on my flameless candle. Again, I thought the added touch of this lantern would look perfect here on this side table. I may put something in it like some faux leaves, but for now I'm just going to leave a candle in it, not that I'm going to light it. Once I need to actually purchase another flameless candle. So once I get one of those, I'm gonna go ahead and exchange that out. And maybe again, I will add some seasonal items to it. Wanted to share something I found that was rather interesting. I saw that our hanging mums, the exact same size of the mums that did not have the actual hooks on them, were $2 less. So I thought, well, why not just buy those and clip off the hooks? So that's what I'm doing here. These smaller pumpkins I thought were perfect to nestle around my urn. Here, I just love the colors of the white with the pumpkin color and the mixed color of the orange and yellow. Thought I'd step inside real quick and share this quick and easy recipe with all of you. The sun is beaming on my front porch and I thought this is the perfect time to come in, whip up something for dinner tonight, let the sun go down a little bit before I continue, and then I want to head into the foyer. But my friends Josh and Michael shared this chili recipe on their last YouTube video. I'll link them below, and I thought I'd share it with all of you today because, you know, we're decorating for the fall and I love to share harvesty comfort food in all of my videos. So let me show you what's in this chili. You need ground beef, and you need some hot sausage, poblano peppers, onion, of course you need some chili powder, crushed tomatoes. They called for black beans and kidney beans. I may just only use one. My husband doesn't like these kind of beans, so he likes a little bit, so maybe just a little. Garlic, Sweet Baby Ray's. You can use any of your favorite barbecue sauce. You use a cup of this, but you also use a cup of the sweet and spicy. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so good. It's actually a barbecue chili. Tomato sauce, a favorite seasonal fall beer. Of course, who doesn't love pumpkin beer? I love it. Some beef broth, Worcestershire sauce, balsamic vinegar, and honey. So we're gonna go ahead and get this all together and let it cook on the stove top while I go ahead and finish decorating. I have a really good chili recipe that I will share, and I have shared in the past, but in our upcoming videos I will be sure to share it again because it truly is a family favorite. But when I saw this recipe from my friends Josh and Michael, I knew my husband would absolutely love it. Anything with sausage and barbecue sauce, I just knew he would be all in. So basically all I did was brown the ground meat and brown the sausage, added some poblano peppers and a white onion, let those saute in there a little bit. And then I added the barbecue sauce and crushed tomatoes. And then soon here I'm going to be adding a seasonal fall beer, and I love a pumpkin beer, so I thought this was perfect to add to this chili. And then all the other ingredients, which were Worcester and a balsamic vinegar, honey, garlic. And then actually Mark does like beans. He doesn't like a ton of them, so I did add 1 can of kidney beans, as you will see here soon, and a can of black beans. Now you can put this in a crock pot for about 4 hours, but I decided just to keep it on the stove top and let it simmer as I was in and out decorating. And oh my gosh, it just smelled like such a cozy, cozy fall day. And let me tell you, my husband absolutely loved this recipe. Now my favorite part is adding some fluffy, colorful seasonal pillows and some beautiful throws, and I love this throw. I love the plaid, and I just think it just pulls it all together and just gives it that warm and cozy feel. I do like to extend my decor, as you can see here. I've got the mums on the one side extending off my porch. And as well as the welcome sign. I love to give that illusion of extending your porch by adding additional decor pieces. I decided to go out to my front porch to put this floral display together that I'm going to be putting in my foyer. I have some pampas grass here and it has been just shedding everywhere. So I'm spraying it with some hairspray and hoping this will help out. And I know I read that's how you can keep it so that you can use it year after year. This is turning out basically just putting all the different faux florals and the dry florals together here. And I just love the colors of the natural fall hues along with the pampas grass. So I cannot wait to get this into my foyer area so we can see how it turned out. Here in my foyer, I decided to keep this piece very minimal. It's not really a very big piece. So I have this ring candle holder and I have my Scentsy warmer on it. I love the Scentsy warmer. I've had it for years. I think it's just so pretty. And of course, I love how beautifully it lights up, and especially in the evening. And I have that small mirror behind it because I love the reflection of the light, especially at night. I also have these two beautiful candlesticks with my flameless candles. I kept those because I just love the way it looks, especially in the evening. Now the mirror that's behind this piece is actually an Anthropologie dupe. I got it at Hobby Lobby and I loved it so much I purchased the same one for my powder room. friends, I really hope that you enjoyed my front porch fall decor decorate with me video, and of course my foyer was very simple, but I love it. And this delicious chili recipe, friends, let me tell you, Josh and Michael, thank you for sharing. This is so delicious. Cannot wait for Mark to try it when he gets home from work today. So cheers, friends. Also got a glass of wine because I worked hard the last 2 days. So happy fall, friends. Stay tuned for so many more fall videos we've got coming your way. The next video is going to be our back patios. You all love how Lauren and I decorate our patios for the autumn season, and we've got so much more in store for you. Love you all so much. Please make sure you subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.